So everybody, you should be writing this in your notebook. Nice, awesome, amazing notes. Will be 9, 16, 20. Adding integers. Adding integers. Adding integers. Now, some of you might have done this in 6th grade. I'm gonna, take it slow. Hopefully that you understand it. Some of you started in 6th grade, but you kind of forgot what to do. So we'll see. We'll take it nice and easy today. Tomorrow, I will make it extremely hard because that's my job. Okay, focus. We're gonna do example 1. If I have -5 plus 3. -5 plus 3. I'm curious. What do you guys think the answer is? Do you remember what to do from 6th grade? Does anybody remember? Take a wild guess. What do you guys? Okay. Okay, minus is called, that's an operation. Yes, I like that. Exactly. That's what you're saying when you're saying -2. You're saying subtraction 2. It's not the correct use. So, yes, for those of you who said -2, the answer is correct. Now, how did we get that? Well, I'm going to show you one way of doing it today. It's called drawing your tiles. So I'm going to draw my first number of -5 using -5 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I have 5 negative tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That represents my first number. Now my second number is a +3. So if the signs are different, I'm going to write it underneath. So I'm going to draw 3 positive tiles right underneath. You see how they kind of line up? And when I have a pair, one is negative, one is positive, I circle it. When I have a pair. That is called 0 pair. Thumbs up on your screens if this looks familiar, like you did this in 6th grade. Thank you for using the thumbs up button. Thank you very much. I'll give a shout out to Miss Kano later. Awesome. So just kind of give me an idea of like, okay, so this isn't like totally new for you. Good. Okay, so these are called 0 pairs. Now, whatever you don't circle, that's your answer. So you see how I didn't circle 2 of the negative tiles? And they're negative. That's why my answer is -2, because I did not circle 2 negative tiles. Okay? All right, let's do example number 2. What if I have -4 plus -2? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw them out. Today we're going to draw. Tomorrow we won't. We'll be dealing with harder numbers, but I just want a good foundation. If I draw them out, -4 tiles. Now, the second number is -2. So it's the same type of tiles, right? So I would draw them right next to the other -4. All the negatives go on the same line. All the positives go on a different line. Since both of these are negative, I get to draw them all on the same line. 4 negatives and then 2 negatives. Now, is there a pair? Can I circle something? No. So therefore, whatever I didn't circle is my answer. Well, I didn't circle anything. So therefore, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be, my answer would be -6, because I did not circle the 6 negative tiles. That is my answer. Does that make sense? Yes, Miss Lamelli. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's do example number 3. What if I have 8 plus -3? So what do I circle? I mean, not what do I circle. Sorry. Oops. Step back. I'm going to draw my 8. Now it's positive, so I'm going to draw +8 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positive tiles. Now my second number is -3. Oh, that's different tiles, so I get to draw them on the bottom. I'm going to draw 3 negative tiles on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. How many circles am I going to need? 3. 3. Now, whatever I did not circle is my answer. So what did I not circle? 5, 5, 5. And these, well, are these negative tiles? No, they're positive. So my answer is +5 because there's 5 positive tiles left. We're good? Okay. What if I make it like super hard for you guys? Oh my gosh. Oh, please don't start crying on me. If I go -6 plus 2 plus -3. 3 numbers. You can privately chat with me your answers. You can privately chat with any adult your answers. If you have any questions, you can privately chat with us. Let's see. Interesting. I'm getting some answers. Looks good. Whoa. Okay. So mostly all of you got it right on the private chat. So I'm going to draw the first number. The first number is -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the second number? 2. So I'm going to draw 2 positive tiles underneath because it's a positive. Then my third number is negative. So I'm going to draw it on the negative line. 1, 2, 3. All right. So I have my 6, and then I have my 3, then I have my 2 positives. And then I circle and circle. Whatever I did not circle is my answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now, what kind of tiles are these? They're negative, so therefore we add the negative symbol. Any general questions on this? No? Okay. Let's try doing these 2 problems right now together, or you're on your own, and I just kind of want to check to see how you're doing. Again, you can private chat any of the adults to check your answers. Okay. Miss Elaine, did you get a message? Ignore it if you got a message for breakout rooms. Did you get a message, Miss Elaine? Just curious. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, we'll see. Let's see. So when you type in your answers, if you don't put the negative sign when needed, it is considered wrong. So make sure when you type in your answers and it's supposed to be negative, you use a negative, because if you don't, then I mark it wrong. So if we take a test on this, say tomorrow, you guys get them right. All right, so the correct answer would be negative. So -2 and then -6. I can't circle anything, so my answer would be -8. And if you didn't type in a negative, it is considered wrong. And the second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle, and then I'm left with a positive 3. Good. Yes. 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 Eileen, so make sure, Eileen, you email me. Please, please, please email me. All right. I'm going to give you guys a couple of problems to work on your own. If you got these two questions wrong, or if you're in general lost, or if you're going to look at these problems that I'm going to write down, you're just like, what? I need you to let us know and we'll put you in a breakout room. So I need you to make sure you understand how to do this. Today's lesson is super easy compared to tomorrow's lesson. Tomorrow we're going to go to level 10. So this is level 0.00001 compared to tomorrow's lesson, which will be level 10. So if you feel like you're good, awesome, keep working. I'll check your answers. If you're looking at these problems going like, why is she drawing positive and negative tiles? I don't know where she's getting these answers from. You need to speak up and we'll try to help you. I rather you understand the easy stuff today, have a good foundation. Please, we're going to try to make sure that you have a good foundation today. So if you are having trouble, if you're looking at these problems going like, huh, what? Please let us know and we'll put you in in a breakout room. But I don't know. I don't know if you're having trouble. Okay, we're working. Miss Rojas, Miss Celine, do you guys have a copy of this? Screenshot it. So when I send you to a breakout room, because it's not on Canvas, I just kind of came up with these on a whim. Okay. Let me assign. Some of these kids, if they're good, they're good. Some of these kids, I'm not sure. And go to give me your answers, or can you text can you chat with Miss Celine to see if Miss Rojas said, can you click on breakout room? And there should be, yeah, okay. Liliana, can you click on breakout room again? And Ashley, can you click on breakout room? You should see a link. It doesn't pop up because Zoom is not my friend. Thank you. Liliana and Ashley, can you click on breakout room? Ashley, Liliana. Thank you, Ashley. Okay. It's not popping up. It won't pop up. So click on the breakout room symbol. There should be a breakout room somewhere on your screen. Oh, no, yeah. Miss Celine, can you do the same? Miss Celine, click on breakout room. Thank you. Is there anybody with me right now going like, I don't know. I don't know. Evan, what happened? Did you need help or not? Yes. Once we are done with the questions, we send them to Miss Celine. Well, I kind of moved her out, so you're not going to be able to see Miss Celine right now. So to you? Yes, and I promise to try not to ignore you, but I might. Jonathan? 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 Hello, Jonathan. Hello, Jonathan. I need you to come back to class. You're going to type in your answers in the chat. Oh, Jonathan came back. Dennis. Are we okay? Everyone that's in here? Yes. 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 And I'm totally paying attention to the chat. Totally. Anybody need some help? Okay. Valentin, there should be, click on the breakout room icon. It should give you a link, Valentin. It's not going to pop up automatically, Valentin. Okay. Anybody else? We're okay? Number 3. Okay, for number 3, I got 1, right? For number 4, I got -4. For number 5, oh my god, number 5 is the easiest thing in the world, is 8. Number 6 is +4. Number 7 is -4. And number 8 is 11. Well, yeah, you just didn't let me finish. Okay, you didn't let me finish. Okay, I wasn't done. I wasn't done at all. I was gonna go back later and plug in a -1. You just, Jimena, you gotta give me time. You can't rush me. With things that have to do with math, you can't rush these things. It's totally not a mistake on my part. Totally not recorded on video, which I need to stop.